we're going to look at the Revolve command. I'm going to pick my front plane. Under my model tab, I'm going to select Revolve. First thing we need to do in order to revolve is we need some sort of an axis to revolve around. So I'm going to right click, and this menu is going to appear. I'm going to select this option right here, which is to create a 2-point construction center line. So I'll select that, pick a point here. I can define any angle I want. I'm just going to snap down here and pick my second point. And now I have to create the sketch that I'm going to revolve around that center line. So I'm going to select line chain. Just middle click, and to exit my sketch I'm going to hit OK, and we see a preview of the revolve. It has taken my sketch and revolved it around that center axis. Now before I go there, you can select how far do you want it to revolve. You can put anything you want in here. For an angle, 9 degrees, 180, and that's one side. You can flip it the direction. Under options, if you want to do it a different angle from one side to the other, so here we have 180 for this side. If we want to do side 2 and pick variable, I can pick an angle here. I can pick 35 degrees, 45 degrees. We'll go back to none, and I can change this back to 360. If we go to properties, we can assign a name to this particular feature if we want, but I think this is okay. I'm just going to select my green check mark to accept, and that is the revolve command.